You cannot attend the functions. There's a Christmas party. You cannot go there. No, I'm only going because, I want to be good to them, I want to be kind to them. So it's not allowed at all. Allah is very clear cut in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 2, that you help one another in righteousness and piety. وَالتَّعَانُوا بِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى. That help one another in bir and taqwa, in righteousness and piety. وَلَا تَعَوْنُ, but do not help each other in sin and transgression. That means helping one another in sin and transgression is prohibited. Now, when you go to a Christmas party, you are agreeing with them that the Christmas is good. You cannot say, I don't want to break the heart. This is totally wrong. In Islam, you cannot support them for something which is wrong. Similarly, when you are taking food, which they are giving sweets for Christmas or sweets for Diwali, you are agreeing with it. So even food on which God's name is not taken, but it is part of a festival, and almost all the festival, most of the non-Muslim festival, they go against the Sharia. Either there is shirk in it, or there is some other element to it which is against the Sharia. So not only should you eat the food on which God's name is taken, whether it be the communion, the bread and the wine, or whether it be the prasad, you cannot even take the sweets given for Diwali or for Ganpati or for Christmas. It's haram. Neither can you attend the function. All these are prohibited and a Muslim should stay away from them. There can be a situation where someone calls you from a Christmas party and then you say, okay, fine. They have called me to give a lecture. So I say, fine, I'll go to give a lecture. I'll give a lecture on Jesus is not God. So if I'm going to give a lecture, I'll see to it I don't do anything haram. I don't have any haram food. I'm going there and I'm telling to everyone. I'm giving a public talk there. To everyone, it's very clear cut. And I'm telling them that Jesus is not God, but He's a messenger of God. No problem. Such situations are very rare, making it very evident to everyone that you're disagreeing with the Christmas. So if you go there to give a lecture and do dawah to them, not one-to-one, you can't say, okay, I'm going to do dawah to one of them. But the others will think, okay, you're agreeing with the party. So you can't go to a party and say, okay, if you're called to give a public lecture, so then everyone attending the party knows very well that you are coming there and your message is very clear, cut. No, I'll do dawah to just two of my friends. You can do dawah to those two of the friends any other time. Why in the Christmas party? Why in the Diwali party? So it's very important that you follow the rules of the Islamic Sharia. But if you're called as a guest speaker, you're giving to everyone, it's permitted. You take precaution that you don't eat anything haram and you don't do any haram act there. But giving in the message of Islam and calling them towards Islam is permitted. Hope that answers the question.